This is the first time created environment in our world where people wants to become a businessman and self-employed before they start their career as a employee. I mean job. Now people more prefer to start their career as a self-employed life, not a 9 to 5 job life, because entrepreneurship become a new rockstar these days. People think it's very cool. Now everyone chasing freedom. That's really good thing. But people starting career as an entrepreneur without any life jacket, I mean without any skills. That's why the failure rate is too much high. You worried about that? So don't worry from now on because you already came into the right channel. Means here you get the enough knowledge. But here I only share tips, technique and strategy. End of the day you take action because your action decide your future, right? And without action killed your potential or skills. Number one advice, ask the powerful question. When you are going to start a business, before you need to know some powerful question to their answer. When no any doubt exists in your mind, you want clarity because it's very important for your business journey. First question like why I start? Maybe your answer only for money. It's good, but only for money it's not appropriate answer because a study show when you are only focused on money your success rate not too much high. Number 2 advice, your product or service whatever it is it's really able to provide comfort because people always looking for that. Okay, I explain why people love to watch reality show because people watching characters who always suffering in their life. People never realize they actually compare their life with the TV character and people automatically feel our life is good and better than a TV characters. Here entertainment industry actually sell people emotional comforts. That's why people watching and come back multiple times for their emotional satisfaction. Number 3, selling ability. This is the main important thing you always need in your business because no sales means no business. When you sell something, everyone looking what the message you deliver. I mean what the story you sell. People ultimately connect or buy from you, not others. It's only depend your sell speech. Actually how much you impact their action mindset to your product or service presentation. Even when you want to convince the investor why they invest in your company and what the benefit they getting here in long run, that time you need closing skill. Your closing skill decided your investor convinced or not. By the way, investors see other thing also. Your product, your business system or your leadership ability. Every investor always focus on how much they can earn from your business. They focus on that. Investor also see your product, what kind of the market threat come in future. So many things they have to see. When investor invest their money in any company, it's not possible to discuss everything here in this video. You want the particular video on this topic, you want to know what kind of things investor looking for to invest their money in any company, comment below so I try to make video for you. Number 4, know about the market. What type of the customer you want to focus on. I mean who actually want and buy, right? You don't know about your customers, so you always struggle in market because your reach not getting your actual customer where it needed. If you know about your customer, it will be more easy for you to make product design according to your customer interest, right? When you watching the second part of this topic, you will be more clear about this. Number 5, you know to read financial statement. Here I never told you become a CA like that. No, don't take me wrong. I mean that much you should know. At least you read a financial paper. I mean you understand the financial statement. How much revenue create your company and it's make profit or loss because that's help you to decide what the department need to call a meeting to fix this problem. I mean where need your more focus. Number 6, employ your first priority. 4 point I discuss here. Hiring people based on character. Skills important but character is more important. You need actually skill with character. It's difficult to find out but long run it's help your business economy. No one never say they are liar, they are cheater, they are dishonest person. It's your duty to identify them because you are a leader. or no one open their reality in front of you, because everyone will prepare their answer her interviewer in interview table. So do one thing, you don't ask that kind of question you what usually interviewer asked. By the way, your human psychological skill working here to identify the best person for your company. Employee satisfaction. Clear talk with employee with their role and goal. So their career growth, not company goals. Because employee have an employee mindset. They always see their benefit. Clearly say what their benefit for him or her. Show them the career growth in this company. Number 3. Don't never ever make promises what actually you don't fulfill in future. I seen so many companies make huge promises during hiring process. After hiring, they don't fulfill any of this. As a leader, you want to create the most valuable brand in the world. So you never do that kind of false promises, because people quit you and never come back again in your company. Not only that, they also tell people to never join and apply in your company, because your false promises hurt their emotions. So don't do that. Number 4. Every time try to listen and communicate with your employee, because this way you know the problem is the company system and your office environment culture. Do that. Start is so a very good leader having good listening power, right? So employee hiring is the most important part in any business, because end of the day your employee run your business. Every time you not sitting there and not talking every customer and solve their problem, because it's not possible for you. I'm not wrong, you want to start a business because after 6 and 7 years later you want freedom. So it's not possible to sitting in your business every time. You need system. Who run your system? Your employee run it. So for today, I want to give you lot of knowledge. It's definitely help you to build your career and life. So share this video. You know, in your family or friend circle who want to start a business and who already run a business. Who knows, you will share this video. Afterwards, someone watch it and are interested to start their own business. That much of power have your own share. So must do like, share and subscribe, because it's motivate me to make video for you guys. Still you don't subscribe yet? What's wrong, man? Do subscribe. Have a nice day. Namaste.